Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'll be doing some color block and ombre nails using dip powders and acrylic powders. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I apply one layer of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. So I applied tape on the nail off camera. Now I'm applying some base to the nail and I'm doing an ombre with the Savvyland purple shimmer acrylic powder and my Revel nail ensemble dip powder. I did about 3 layers of that, then I removed the tape. Moving on to the middle finger, I'm using Savvyland Blue Shimmer Acrylic Powder and Revel Nail Ensemble Dip Powder, and I did another ombre. Then I applied some activator to the pinky and middle finger so that I can file to get a straighter line. Onto the index nail, I'm using the Savillon Pink Shimmer Acrylic Powder and Revel Nail Ensemble to do another ombre nail design. On the ring finger, I did a color block nail design. I actually got fed up of doing the ombres and wanted to do something a little different. And if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Then I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now I'm applying my Revel nail rhythm to the tip of the pinky nail. And my Model 1's number 8 acrylic powder to the middle finger. And my Revel nail flippant to the index finger. Then I applied Savillon Pink Shimmer Acrylic Powder to the ring finger. Then encapsulated all of the nails with 3 layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied my activator to harden the nails and then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now I'm using my Mother One's gel glue and gel top coat on the ring finger, then I applied some rhinestones to the nail. Then I did the same for my middle finger. Then I top coated the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Now I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So I really liked how this design came out, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!